Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality profile backlink, and also you guys are able to create your forum backlink and your commenting backlink on this website. And this site is highly relevant for the education industry, kind of. You can publish your book, your story kind of things. So this site could be the relevant for the podcast. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on this sign up button. Okay, before this started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 86, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 92. Spam score is only 1%. And if I can show you this website traffic, so you will see 103.3 million monthly visits this website having, and mostly traffic from USA, Brazil, Vietnam, Mexico, India, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the sign up button. Then you can choose any preferable method for you. So I can proceed with manual login. There you guys will put your email address. Then you guys will choose your username. You can select your date of birth. So July 5th 2000. So this is my date of birth, and there you can select anything. So let me select him. There you guys will choose your password. I guess I have already created account on this, so you guys will choose your password here. Then okay, so I have already created. So overall this is the process for the how you can create your profile. So once you guys will submit your all details, then after this site will send you the activation email. Okay, so activation email. Then after, I recently created this profile on this website, so I can show you here. So you can see I received this activation email in the spam folder. Then you can click on this email, then you will redirect on the this website interface, so where I can update.
This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co.
All details in front of you. So let me log in. Clean traffic. I don't know why these things are happening. Okay, so let me show you here. So once you guys will create your profile on this website, so you can click on your profile icon, then you can click on my profile. So you can see this is your profile dashboard. So you can click on edit profile. So from there you can change anything, like if you wanting to change your background in image, so you can click on this. If you wanting to change your profile image, so you can click on this, and there you can modify your name. Let me add here job only, and then after there you guys will select your pronouns he and him. There you can add your company, either a person, a description. Then after there you can add your website URL, then your location. Then after you can click on the save changes, and your profile backlink is created. So this is your profile landing page URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is a instant approved backlink. And if I can show you, so this is a no follow or do follow. So you will see this is a 100% no follow backlink. But the thing is, we have created a very high quality profile backlink, and you can see also I have created a story on this website. Oh my god, let me open again. And once you guys will complete a creative profile, so how you guys will create another kind of backlink on this website. So suppose if you wanting to create a your story, so you can click on this create a new story. Then after you can cross this. I guess I'm not logged in, so let me log in first. Then after you can click on the right button, click on the create a new story, and from there you can upload your cover image, your title, your description. Then after you can select your category, your tags, and you can after you can click on the skip then after this will ask you to a couple of another step, then you guys will complete those things, and you are able to create your story kind of a backlink from this website. Okay. And another feature is, so another type of backlink how we can create, so you can click on the community, go to the any community according to your requirement. So I can proceed with a community happening, and you can see there are a lot of discussion are already published. So you think anything are relevant for you, so you can select the thread discussion, then after you can scroll something, and you will see there is an option to you can put your comment. I think this is a very long discussion. You can see there is a comment, so whatever the things you wanting you can paste here, kind of your website URL, your backlink, either your thoughts. It is a totally up to you. So yeah, then after you can click on the enter button, and your comment should be going to live. So you can consider this type of backlink as a thread backlink, either as a commenting backlink. So yeah, so overall this is the process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.